To fix a Frigidaire portable air conditioner that's not cooling, it's essential to understand the common causes of this issue. The most common causes include a room ambient temperature that's too low for cooling, the unit's air conditioner being set too high, or a shut-off compressor due to changing modes. To resolve the issue, possible solutions include waiting for the room ambient temperature to rise, as portable Frigidaire ACs are programmed not to cool when the room temperature is below 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 16 degrees Celsius. Alternatively, you can reset the unit to lower temperatures using the up and down buttons on the AC's control panel. If the compressor has shut off due to a change in mode, simply wait for at least 3 minutes for it to restart, as it doesn't switch immediately when switching from high to low temperature settings. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a portable Frigidaire AC that's not cooling.